Shenzhen Pingdi AOLQ Bathroom Supply Company Limited, founded in 2011, is a professional factory of producing and designing public hygiene dispensers, mainly including soap dispensers, paper dispensers, wet wipe dispensers, hand dryers, hair dryers, air freshener dispensers, and some hotel articles, such as shampoo brackets, both in plastic and stainless steel materials, especially in the field of soap dispensers. 13 technical and structure patents have been acquired. Our factory covers an area of 13,000 square meters. We have ISO 9001, CE, RoHS, FCC, REACH, and CCC certificates. We have 4 production lines and 15 injection machines. We have strong production capacity. We sold to the whole world. We also welcome OEM and ODM projects. We are working hard to develop new products to meet different requirements. We have experienced team and focus on development and design, quality control. Our products meet the safety and quality requirements of most countries. We own 2 brands, AOLQ and SBF. AOLQ is a domestic brand, and SBF is a new brand aiming at Europe and America market with family products, and now is seeking agent in the whole world. We insist on the principle of quality first and service-oriented. We warmly welcome you to contact us for mutual benefits and win-win cooperation. We also warmly welcome you to become our agent and welcome you to contact us for further discussion.